Hey everyone, it's Hosanna here, and I got baby Jason, and today I'm going to be changing him, and I'm going to do an announcement, and the announcement is I'm reborn pregnant, and Jason will be getting his sibling here soon, so I can't wait, and I'm going to do a blanket reveal and gender and yeah, a name reveal. So if you want, oops, he spit out his pacifier. Okay, if you want me to have a gender reveal before the baby's here, or a name reveal, or if you want me to do it all in one video, like have the name in the video and like that, or I can do it a different way, like how I just said, the gender reveal and the name reveal videos. So Jason can't wait. I already know what gender it is, but I'm not going to tell you guys. I'm going to keep that a surprise. So, today is Monday, so I'm doing Monkey Mohawk Monday. So, Monkey Mohawk Monday. I'm putting him in a monkey outfit, and I'm going to give him a little mohawk. So, it's not going to be like a very slick down mohawk. It's just going to be a fuzzy mohawk. Woo! He spits out his pacifier. There we go. Jason's all dressed. So, his pacifier. Give me 1 second to grab the spray. Got the spray here. Second. There we go. Add some on here. I like to do is take the spray and slick it down with my hands. It makes it more slick. And I like it better this way. But I can't wait until the sibling comes. I about said what gender it was. So, he can't wait either. And, yeah, so yeah. Comment down below if you want me to do a gender reveal, name reveal videos, and then do the blanket reveal. Or if you just want me to do the blanket reveal, the name reveal, and gender reveal all in the same video. So, yeah. So, there's Jason's little mohawk. It's Monkey Mohawk Monday. I was going to do this a while ago. The mohawk. But I wasn't going to have monkeys in it. I was going to have just a Mohawk Monday. But this Monday I decided to put monkeys in it. Because it kind of goes. Monkey Mohawk. There we go. And Jason's finished. I'm finished with Jason's mohawk. And yeah, so comment down below which you want it to be. And yeah, comment, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.